Bedroom only. No, if you this room now you need to keep three.
Okay.
Then the effect will be good. Big room na. For bedroom 10 by 10, 8 by 8 is one enough.
Yeah, this is room humidifier with room
Fragrance.
freshener. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can add any fragrance with water